Yo, what's up guys, the Car Addict back here again with another video. So today we're gonna do the front bumper of my Mustang. So it's gonna be a little DIY paint job or paint touch up for your front bumper. I went to an actual shop to get an estimate for how much it would cost for them to just paint over this. They were gonna charge me $1,200, so I was like, nah, I'm good. I just went ahead and bought myself the parts that I need to do it. So basically here we have primer, and then you can check out the paint code of your car and the exact color that you can use to do like a perfect match color on your bumper. So this one for the Mustang 2004 silver, we have a YN code, silver charcoal metallic for that one. And then I have some towel here to clean it up, old newspapers to cover up the headlights and whatnot, and masking tape, some alcohol to clean it up, and some scissors. So basically, if you need any of these things, you can find a link on the description below. Yeah guys, we're gonna get started on working on this car right now. First thing I'm gonna do is basically clean it up with the alcohol. And also, if you haven't seen the video of me doing the wrap on the roof of this car, go ahead and check out that video. I'll also have it somewhere on the screen. You can click it and you can watch a video on how to wrap your roof. So this one actually turned out pretty well. Look at that. So this was like full of rust before, but now she's all cleaned up. And also, if you want to watch the video of how to plasti dip your wheels, I have that video too, so you can check that out. But yeah, today we're gonna work on the front bumper. So here are the damaged parts. I've already gone down and sanded it. And then here's some more of the damage right there, and here as well. So we're gonna primer it up, but first things first, clean it up, mask all these parts right here. Don't want to get any paint on the headlights, and get working. Some alcohol to get it cleaned up for paint. Alright guys, so we're gonna get to doing our first coat with the Rust-Oleum automotive primer right here. You can buy this down on the description below. The link will be right there. I'm gonna do a first light coat about 5 to 6 inches away, so that I don't get any like focal points where the paint becomes all watery and it starts to drip. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, I totally missed that. Okay, I think I did a little bit too much right there. Alright, so that's the first coat guys. As you can see, nothing too much, just a little bit, and we're gonna let that dry for like 5 minutes, and then we'll do it again. Alright guys, so the first coat has now dried. I waited 5 minutes. We're gonna go for the second coat, another light coat. So here we go. guys, we're now going to do the first coat of the Perfect Match Duplicate color on here to see how it looks. Let's go ahead and try it out, guys. So here's the bottle. I think it has a little thing right there. Just take it off and yeah, let's get to spraying. Let's see how it goes. Oh, what the? Why is it like that? I guess you're not supposed to take this out. You're supposed to leave it on. And you can control the flow of air. So that's where I messed up already. So we'll try it right here. Try it again. Oh wow, so much better. Okay, that was terrible right there. That's really bad. And I got it there. So that's the first mistake, but it's okay. We'll continue. Yeah, it sort of matches. Not bad. Just the first coat. Try to do here. Try to fix what I did a little bit. Okay, that's pretty bad, but we can sand it down probably. We'll sand it down later on. But let's continue doing it. Let's do a first coat here. Oh, okay. Not bad. Let's do here. Okay. That looks good right there. Start off at the bottom. Let's try it here. Okay, first coat here. Yo, what's up guys? So I pretty much finished painting the cars. So as you can see, it's not too bad. I did make a couple of mistakes, but I'll let you guys be the judge. So here it is. And then here's the other side. Boom. So literally guys, I spent 30 bucks to get this done. They were gonna charge me $1,200. You can do it yourself too. Just make sure you get the right paint for your car so that it matches. And basically after, just let it dry and we'll do a video again of the car overall. And again, like, comment what you think, and subscribe. The Car Addict out. Peace.